Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Mac OS version and signing into your Apple ID so the installer can authenticate. Once done, free about 200-500 MB of disk space and quit apps to prevent file locks. You then open the App Store or Apple menu for native QuickTime access. If you need QuickTime 7 for legacy files, locate the installer in System Preferences or Apple Support Downloads, and be ready with your admin password to allow system changes. Next, install and configure QuickTime. If using the App Store version, click Get or Install and let macOS complete the download, then enable automatic updates. If you require QuickTime 7, mount the DMG, drag QuickTime to Applications, and approve any security and privacy prompts to allow the legacy binary. Once installed, open Finder, select a common media file, choose Get Info, set QuickTime as Open With, and click Change All to apply defaults across file types. To finish, test QuickTime by opening MOV, MP4, and audio files to confirm playback and audio sync. Make sure Mac OS and codecs are up to date. For unsupported formats, convert files using compressor or handbrake so QuickTime can play them. If QuickTime fails to launch, reinstall the app, run disk utility to repair permissions, or reset launch services from terminal. These steps resolve most permission and association problems, and they get you back to smooth playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.